Is it time for your office to look better, feel better, wear better? For many businesses, worn-out plastic chair mats are the norm, but they look cheap, they dent, crack, and eventually need to be replaced. Not to mention, they barely protect your floors. Your team spends long hours at the office, and they deserve a workspace that's designed to the highest standard. Glass office chair mats by Vitraza will give them style and ergonomic comfort, leading to an easier day at the office. In fact, a recent study indicated that Vitraza glass chair mats can reduce awkward postures by over 93%, and they come with a lifetime warranty. We have thousands of satisfied business owners. Harold V says these are going to last forever. You'll get a discount of up to 30% on all your commercial orders of 3 or more units, and we have a great team of specialists to assist you and provide written quotes. It's time for your office to look and function better. Contact us today. I promise we'll follow up right away.